If you've ever needed to update an event in Google Calendar, whether it's because your plans changed, the time was wrong, or you need to adjust the date for someone else on your team, this tutorial is going to make it quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the date and time of a Google Calendar event step by step, so you can keep your schedule organized without any confusion. And if this video helps you, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or app and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're inside your calendar, look for the event you want to update. You can find it on the day it's scheduled, or use the search option if you have a busy calendar and need to locate it faster. When you find the event, click on it to open the event details. This will show you the current date, time, location, and any notes or guests attached to it. Next, look for the edit option, which is usually the pencil icon. Click edit to open the full event editing page. This is where you can make changes to the schedule without creating a brand new event from scratch. Now, you can update the date and the start and end time. If the event needs to move to another day, simply select the new date from the calendar fields. If the time needs to change, click into the start time and end time fields and type in the new time or choose it from the drop-down list. Be careful to make sure both the start and end times are correct, so the event duration stays accurate. If your event is happening in a different region or you're working across multiple locations, you may also need to change the time zone. Look just under the time fields and check whether the correct time zone is selected. If it isn't, update it so the event displays correctly for everyone involved. This is especially important for meetings with people in other countries or when you're traveling. Once everything looks right, take one final look at the event details to make sure the date, time, and time zone are all correct. Then click Save. Google Calendar will update the event immediately, and if the event has guests, they may receive a notification about the change. That's all there is to it. Changing the date and time in Google Calendar only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. Now, you can quickly fix scheduling mistakes, reschedule meetings, or adjust events whenever your plans change. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.